Hi everybody! Guess what we're going to be doing today? Huh? Yes, Bob's come back from his holidays and out of his box, and he wants some extra pages in him. So, it's so long since I've seen him. I mean, it feels like forever. I think it's a little over a week, maybe slightly more. That I'm just going to have a quick flip just to remind myself what we've done already. So we sorted the pages out. And this is the first page that we put in. It's got a big pocket down the side there. Flips over, big pocket in there, and then a pocket on the bottom here. Okay, that's nice. And then on the back of that, we've got a flip up. It's got a little pocket in and two tiered pockets in here. Yes, very nice. Cut that back in. There we go. Okay, so that's quite nice. I like that. Then a page from the book. Oh, down you go. Then a double sort of stacked pocket with tags in. Haven't put anything on the top of the tags or any decoration on here. This is literally the construction part, and then we'll go back and decorate everything. So this has got two little side pockets down there, a page from the book. Yeah, that's the centre spread. I opted to take the centre spread out, the coffee stained one out, because honestly I think we're getting fat enough. This is an envelope that's pinned on with an altered paper clip that's got a little pocket in it. Yeah, I'm remembering now, it's all coming back to me. Yeah, so that's that. Page from the book, and that's the, oh no it's not, don't get excited. Then this page, which has got a pocket the same on the front and the back, and it's got two tags in it, one kind of on the front and one on the back, so they need something, you know, decorating on the top, some fluffy frou-frou or something. Something like that. And then this page needs oh, there's so much decorating to do. And right, that is that signature. Now it doesn't look that fat at the moment, but by the time we get all the decorations in, it's going to be fat enough for this book, I think. So on to the second signature. Blimey, doesn't look like Bob. Anyway, that's by the by. So here we've got a big side pocket there with journal card in. That flips over, that flips out, and we've got some journaling there with a stamp. Is this a side pocket? Yeah, this is a side pocket. Oh yeah, this was the one that caused me such angst. This has got a little bookmark in it there, which was never designed to be a bookmark, but it is now. And then on the inside, yeah, the inside, it's got a slightly wider bookmark in there, but that's okay. It's something different, isn't it? It's quite nice. So where are we now? Come on. That's more like Bob with his hair done. So this is where we're up to now, this little kind of half a page. I'll tell you what it measures. It measures 3 inches, and on the back of it we've got this here that's got this flip out, but I'm only going to concentrate today on this side of it. So I'm going to put that away like that so I know where it goes, and I have done a bit of preparation, you know. I know it will shock you, but I have. Right, so what I thought was I'd make this into a side pocket. And I'm going to use this piece being one of my favourites in the entire paper kit. I love it. It might well be overrepresented in this journal, actually, to be honest. Just because I love it so much. But, you know, we've got decorating and stuff to do, so it'll be all right. And I'm going to just slide that in there, right to that crease. Well, maybe not right to the crease, because that's where it's going to get sewn into the book. So just off a little bit. I'm just going to ink down there so you can see what I'm doing. otherwise you can't see the crease and you don't know where I'm putting things. So that's the crease that's going to get sewn into the journal. So I'm going to put this, I've inked around it already, I'm going to put that there just a fraction in from that where the spine's going to go. Right, so let's put some glue on there and get this stuck down. Glue. So because it's not going right to that line, we do need to put some glue down here. Yeah, sorry for the kind of absence of Bob for a while. I just, you know, I told you guys that we'd been cleaning things up and tidying up and shunting stuff around from, because Mr. F bought 2 lovely new drawer units. And hang on, because I've just got to concentrate on this. Oh, excuse me. The pollen here is absolutely ridiculously high. Which way does this go? It goes that way. Right. So that's the wrong side, isn't it? No, that's right, that way. Yes. Get yourself sorted, girl. So I'm going to put that in there like that. And I think I'm going to have to trim off the coffee stain paper because sometimes when you coffee stain it, it goes a bit not exactly square. So there we are anyway, that's that. Let's just wipe that bit of glue up or it'll annoy me. Okay, so I'm going to just trim off that bit of coffee stain paper there. It's something and nothing to be honest, but it doesn't need to be there, so it can go. Same on this side. There we go. Right, so where are we? Where are we? Good question. Right, so I've stuck that in there. Here's the bit at the flap that we had. Honestly, it's mind contorting, this. It really is. So I want to cover that with something, and I've chosen this piece here, which I also love. I've inked around it, and that's going to fit on there great. Yeah, marvellous. So let's stick that down. So we're doing the front and the back of this page in one. Oh, I'm going to sneeze again. That was a terrible sneezing fit. Oh my goodness. I've sat here all morning, haven't sneezed once, switched the tape on, and yeah, oh well. Anybody who does videos will know that's just kind of what happens. There we are. So this goes onto there, like so. Lovely. Great. That's really nice. So I have made already a journaling card. I hope you're impressed with my level of preparedness, because I am. So that's going to go into there. Right, it might be the wrong size, but if it is, I'll deal with it later. So this is going to be a flip, as you can see. So that's going to flip to there. Then that's going to be there. This is going to be here. So I want to have a pocket down there. So this is going to be a pocket for a little, for this card. So I'll give you some measurements. This measures 3 inches. Everything's 3 inches today. And I'm just going to, don't put it right on the edge or right on the bottom, just in a little bit. Let me just check that the height of that's all right. Yeah, that's fine. I've inked around it already. Now I'm going to glue around it. I'm really looking forward to the decorating part of this, which is unusual for me because I generally like the construction much more than the decorating. But I can't wait to decorate this. I've got so many goodies to use. I've got charms, I've got all sorts of things. So, but we haven't got that much more construction to do, to be honest with you. So I'm just going to bring this in a little bit, bring it up a little bit. Try and get it square if you can. I think that's not too bad there. Lovely. There we go. And that's going to go in there. I'm not going to push it all the way down yet because it'll get stuck. So that's it, that's going there. Don't you just love that paint pot with poppies and daisies in? To me, that is, it's just simply beautiful. I love it. I sacrificed quite a lot of paper actually to get that specific bit, but I'm glad I did because it's lovely. So, and these can be decorated up. This can be so much decoration. Right, so now we've got to fold this over so we've got a flippy flap. And in an ideal world, I'd like it to be in the middle of the pocket and the journaling card, so about there. About there, I reckon. So I'm just going to fold that. Let me just have one final check. Yeah, I think we're okay. So that's coming back on itself to there. And just crease that in. Perfect. My goodness, what's going on? Yes, that's marvellous. Let's just crease that down. I'll give you some measurements. This can't be 3 inches as well. I mean, it just can't. No, this is 3.5. So this flap here is 3.5. And then I love this. I mean, I really, really do. But I love this more. And I can't afford to have 2 pages that have got no journaling facility on them. So I'm going to put a pocket on there. I'm going to move it up a bit because there's a bit at the bottom that says objects with stories to tell. And I really like that, so I don't want to cover that up. So I'm going to move it up a little bit. And this pocket, good guess, is just going to fit on there. And I could have made it shorter, you know, had a shorter pocket. But I just love all these colours, just love them. So, no, it is what it is. So I hope you're all enjoying doing your Bob Ross book or whichever book you've got. I know some of you have got other ones of the biographies. I can't remember now what else everybody's got. I'm pretty sure somebody said they had a Dolly Parton one. But I might have imagined that. Wouldn't put it past me. Right, so this is going onto this flip. And it does want to be pretty central, close to the... There's not much room to play with here. That's about right there, I think. Oh, forgot to move it up so I could see my objects with stories to tell. Oh well, that's covered up, never to be seen again. Because with this glue, once it's stuck down, it's stuck. So. And I made a little journaling card to go in there. The journaling card measures a little over 2.5, and that's going to go into there. Other way around, I think, is probably better. That way. And it will go down further, but I just want that glue to set. So, there we go. Hope you like my nails. I had them done yesterday. Right, so this is the page. It was only that thin strip, and we added on this 8x8 page. We've got a big pocket there with a big journaling card in that I've backed. That fits into there. We've got, actually I'm just going to pull that out a little bit. I've remembered there's glue at the back. Got this pocket here with this beautiful, my favourite journaling card in there. That's gorgeous, and I'm not going to push that all the way in. Then that flips over. We've got this pocket, and then the page turns over, and I'm not going to put anything on here. When we come to decorate, I might put something here, but I really want to save that. I love it. It's too good to cover. So that, ladies and gents, that quickly was our today's page, and it's quite an interesting one. So let's put that back in the book. There we go. It all needs sorting out. There we are, that's it. So yeah, that's today's page. It's got quite a lot going on actually. And it folds over to that, which is just beautiful. So the next thing is we've got the centre spread. And then this is our next page, this one, with this flippy flappy. So I'll see what I want to do with that. And then a solid page there, that's good. We can do something nice on there. And then this one, that by the look of it has been made to be a flippy flappy. And that's our last one, then we can decorate. So I'll give some thought to what I'm going to do with this one tonight. And I shall see you very, very soon again. That was speedy, wasn't it? Okay, guys, thanks very much for joining me. I'll see you really soon. Bye.